If you're tired of touching your kitchen faucet with messy hands while cooking, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 touchless and smart kitchen faucets that'll transform your kitchen into a modern, hygienic space. These aren't just gadgets, they're total game changers. And hey, make sure to check all the product links in the description box below, all right? Let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we've got the Jimily Touchless Kitchen Faucet. And honestly, this budget-friendly option delivers way more than you'd expect at this price point. You're getting genuine touchless technology that rivals faucets costing 3 times as much. Pretty wild, right? The sensor response time is lightning fast. We're talking just 0.5 seconds. Wave your hand near the spout, and boom, water flows instantly. The construction uses commercial-grade SUS 304 stainless steel, so you're getting serious durability here. This isn't some flimsy plastic sensor that's going to fail in 6 months. What really impressed me was the 3-minute auto shut-off feature. If you accidentally activate it and walk away, it won't flood your kitchen. The dual spray modes switch easily between stream and spray, and that 360-degree swivel spout covers every corner of your sink. Installation took me about 30 minutes tops. Here's what you should know though, the brand recognition isn't as strong as Moen or Delta. You're not getting that household name backing, which might matter for resale value. Some users report the sensor can be a little too sensitive at first, though it does adjust over time. But the value proposition here? Absolutely insane. You're paying a fraction of what premium faucets cost, but getting maybe 80 to 85% of that performance. For first-time smart faucet buyers or rental properties, that's an absolute no-brainer. Check the link below. At number 4, the Kraus Oleto brings something really clever to the table, a side-mounted sensor that solves one of the biggest complaints about touchless faucets. This design choice makes all the difference in real-world use, folks. That side sensor placement means you won't accidentally trigger water flow while washing dishes or reaching across the sink. It's positioned perfectly for intentional activation only. The Reach technology gives you extended range with an easy retract hose that doesn't fight you. We're talking professional installation quality built right in. The ceramic cartridge has been torture tested over 500,000 cycles. That translates to years, and I mean years, of leak-free performance. You're getting premium finishes here too. Spot-free stainless, brushed brass, and matte black. That high-arc spout swivels a full 360 with serious clearance for stock pots and tall vases. Here's the thing though. The higher price point puts it closer to premium territory. If budget's tight, you might feel the pinch a bit. Also, that side sensor location, while super smart, means you need clear counter space beside your sink for optimal function. Kraus has built a solid reputation in the kitchen fixture world. You're getting European-inspired design with good old American reliability standards. The 3-minute auto shutoff prevents waste, and those pre-attached water lines make installation genuinely straightforward. The commercial-style option? Gorgeous for modern kitchens. Sliding into number 3 is the Moen Halen Mossen. And this is where we start seeing complete touchless kitchen ecosystems. You're not just getting a faucet, you're getting a matching touchless soap dispenser that elevates the entire experience. Pretty sweet deal. The Motion Sense wave technology works with a single sensor at the faucet base. One wave, instant water. The coordination between faucet and soap dispenser creates a truly hands-free workflow. Handling raw chicken? Way less stressful now. That Power Clean spray delivers 50% more power than standard pull-downs for some serious scrubbing action. What caught my attention was the modern geometric design. Those soft curves with contemporary lines fit beautifully in updated kitchens. The reflex system ensures smooth pull-down operation every single time you pull down the spray head, and it docks securely when you release it. No more droopy hoses, ever. Spot-resist finishes keep it looking pristine without you constantly wiping it down. Here's what to consider though. You're paying premium pricing for that bundled soap dispenser. If you've already got a soap dispenser you love, that's money you might prefer to save. The geometric design, while beautiful, is more contemporary, so traditional kitchens might not vibe with it. Moen's lifetime limited warranty backs everything here. 6 AA batteries are included, though the optional AC adapter eliminates battery changes forever. NSF 61 certification means your drinking water stays safe. For families prioritizing maximum hygiene, this complete system is worth every single penny. Coming in strong at number 2 is the Delta Lenta Touch 2.0, and this faucet basically gives you superpowers in the kitchen. Why? Triple control options. You can activate it with the touchless sensor, tap anywhere on the faucet with your wrist or forearm, or use the handle traditionally. 3 ways to control one faucet. But here's the feature that really stands out. TempSense LED technology. The faucet actually changes color based on water temperature. Blue is cold, magenta is warm, and red signals hot. You'll never accidentally scald your hands again. And kids absolutely love the visual feedback. It's practical safety tech that actually makes sense. Delta's Shield Spray is next level too. It's this laser-like precision spray that reduces splatter by 90% compared to standard sprays. You can blast away crusty dishes without water bouncing everywhere and soaking your shirt. The magnetite docking uses a powerful magnet to keep the spray wand locked in place. No more droopy spray head, ever. The potential drawback, all these features come at a premium price point. This is one of the pricier options on the list. Also, with 3 activation methods, there's a slight learning curve. Some users accidentally trigger the touch function when they're just trying to grab something nearby. But if you want the absolute most advanced touchless faucet technology available right now, with features you'll actually use every single day, the Delta Lenta Touch 2.0 is worth every penny. It's innovation that genuinely improves your kitchen experience. And finally, claiming the number 1 spot, we have the Moen Arbor Motion Sense Wave. And there's a reason this faucet consistently tops every best of list. It nails the fundamentals perfectly while delivering premium features that actually work. This is the gold standard for touchless kitchen faucets, guys. The Motion Sense Wave technology uses a single sensor at the faucet base. One wave of your hand turns water on, another wave turns it off. Simple, intuitive, reliable. The sensor has been refined over years of real-world use, so false activations are pretty rare, and response time is instant. Moen's Power Clean technology gives you 50% more spray power than standard faucets. You're getting serious cleaning performance without needing a separate pot filler or utility spray. The reflex system ensures smooth operation every single time you pull down the spray head, and it docks securely when you release it. No more droopy hoses, ever. The spot-resist stainless finish is genuinely effective at repelling fingerprints and water spots. Your faucet actually stays looking clean between deep cleans. Installation is totally DIY-friendly with Moen's Duralock Quick Connect system, and you get a lifetime limited warranty that means something with Moen's reputation behind it. Here's the honest consideration. It runs on 6 AA batteries, which typically last 1 to 2 years. Some people prefer hardwired options to avoid battery changes. You can buy an optional AC adapter, but that's an extra expense and requires an outlet under your sink. Those are your top 5 touchless kitchen faucets available on Amazon right now. Every link is in the description, ready for you to check out. Upgrade your kitchen with technology that actually makes sense. Thanks for watching.